Guess what I got today? No, not fuel, but this for my, what is this? For my height adjustable seat, and I will get to rig it, get to wire it up, just to see if it works. Well, now I see. This thing is anti-retard. You cannot just plug in wherever you want. I got this plug from the pretension from another car. It won't enter. Made it fit by cutting off the bottom, whatever those are. Let me show you. You see, the bottom is all shaped off. Did with the cutter, and now it fits. Good to know this multi-connector is anti-retard, because it would be pretty bad if you would hook up the airbag to 12 volts and it would pop in your face. So yeah. And now let's get onto ghetto rigging the height adjustable thingy. Did check the wiring, and red yellow goes on this plug, it would go on the brown one, and the black on the right. So I'm going to just pull back a little bit of this protective thingy. Then I'm going to cut the two wires about at the middle so I can reuse the plug if needed, and I can still wire it up. And I will have it ghetto rigged, well, until I can do it like normally. Ghetto rigged it up. I just put a piece of tape on one of the wires so they don't accidentally touch and short out. Now I will have to try it. Hopefully I won't burn out any fuses. Woohoo! The most useless mod ever works. I just need to do some cable management. Well, you can see I just stuck the cables under there. Oh, whatever. Comfort level increased by 10% for the passenger. So as a test for the seat, I brought my tallest friend, and let's ask him how well he can fit now.
It's pretty good.
So he has headroom. This is a before shot. Because I have a sunroof on the car, his head barely fits. Let's see an after shot. Now that he can adjust the seat, he can sit comfortably. Now about the electrical part and what you need to do if you don't have it pre-cabled. First you will need the small plugs, and then you can add wires to the pins on that plug. Now you will take off the plastic piece that hides the fuse box, because there are a few cables and pins that we need to access. Now you will also need to undo the fuse box itself and take it off. This is how the rear of the fuse box should look like, and you will need to access the C10 plug. After that you should remove this plastic piece that is blocking another plastic piece that is hiding a plug that you need to access to be able to wire your seat. Now that you can access all this, you can pull the carpet away and put in your cables. Now from the underseats connector pin 7, you should pull a wire to pin 53 in the C51 plug that is on the screen right now. Now for the pin 8 on the underseat plug, you pull a cable and connect it to ground, basically the body of the car. Now the wire you just pulled to the C51 plug, you will need to continue that to the fuse box, to pin number 5 on the C10 plug shown on screen. And you're pretty much done. You only need a hot wire that's 12 volts always and a ground for your seat to work. So the photos you saw aren't mine, and the info I got it from the internet, from somebody's blog. I will have all the information in the description. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a big like, and as always, have a nice day, and for a free out.